2006 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, front, power steering, FWD, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, CD player, bucket seats, reading lamps front, intermittent wipers. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.